Jokes to the side, niggas know that they ain't fucking with the flow I provide. Yo.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. So today, this is the first time I've ever done an unboxing from Adidas, let alone even ordered a shoe off of Adidas, whether it be the website, whether it be on the app. This is the first time that I've ever done this, man, and I cannot believe I was able to secure this shoe. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna unbox this shoe right here. You guys probably already know what it is. Now, something special that I want to say about this shoe, and I'm gonna show you guys this. Shout out to my bro Tops World. Y'all already know Tops. We was talking about these shoes last week on Friday when we were down in Orlando, and I noticed something, man, so I'm gonna point this out. Y'all already know, fresh, crispy 350 box, so that lets y'all know this is the black Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in my size 11. Y'all, I forgot that I put in on the Adidas site to try to get them. I did it through the app, and I got another pair of the triple black non-reflectors, man. Actually, no, you know, not really. Not no real smell to them, y'all. Y'all know how I feel about smelling my shoes. I gotta smell them, but bam, there we go right there. A fresh pair of these triple black things, man. I wish still that I could have got an all reflective pair, man. That would have been hella dope, but hey, it is what it is, man. I hit on these. Y'all already know, y'all seen my on foot and everything. I did a video on these when they first released. One thing that I did notice about this shoe is that the production date on this pair that just recently released, it had a different production date than the production date on the pair that I got the first go round. So I was looking at Tops's, and Tops's was like October. This pair says 9/19, so September this pair was made. This was the production date time throughout this shoe right here. Now when I look at my OG pair that I picked up, which I have right here, this one was April 2019. So two different production dates on the shoe. So I guess Kanye was like, maybe we might have been, he was up in the air if he wanted to give us those bread V2s back, and he was just like, no, I don't want them, just make some more of these. Maybe that's how it went down, because you know, everybody was saying that we were supposed to get the bread V2s. I don't own a pair of the bread V2s in a men's size, but just in case you wondering what is the bread V2 and you're new to the game and you just don't know, this right here is a baby pair of bread V2s, which I really wish that they would have bought this one back, but it's all good. I can settle with having another double up of this one, man. I actually sold one of my double ups. I had like 4 pairs of these, man, to be honest. Different sizes. Sold my double up at SneakerCon, and I was able to purchase a different shoe. But y'all let me know what you guys think. Did you guys pick these up? This was pretty much the shoe that kind of shut down the Who Said Man Was Not Meant to Fly Air Jordan 1. Everybody wanted these Yeezys, and the price is still good. When I say good, I'm talking about as far as resale value, y'all. Resale value is still looking good on these. Did you guys secure a pair of these triple black non-reflective Yeezys? Comment it down below if this was your first pickup of a Yeezy. How well do you think this release was? Do you think that there was a lot more pairs of these, or do you think it was a lot less pairs? I mean, judging by the resale value still holding a little bit of weight, I'm just assuming that a lot of people might have struck out. I'm not sure, but I know that there was a shit ton of them down in Orlando, man. But I might do something special with this pair right here. I know my pops said that he wanted a pair of black ones, so we might make that happen, man. My pops might actually get this pair. Y'all remember when I did the Citron review, I told you guys that I'd be giving those Citrons to someone. I gave them to my pops as a birthday present and an anniversary present. So yes, now we have the triple black things. I told him, he had seen them, he was like, yo, I like them things, and you know, I hit on them. Pretty shocked that I actually hit on them. Nothing different on the shoe, same everything, just a different production date, y'all. So very fuego. Let me know if you guys struck out on these, or if you guys were able to hit on these. Again, this is my first unboxing ever from the Adidas site or app. and I think that it was straight. I mean, the shoes said they were coming yesterday, but they didn't show up yesterday. Just like I got a pair of shoes coming from Nike and they ain't show up today, but they were supposed to show up today. If you guys want to see the on foot on this shoe and see the full detailed review, I will leave the link in the description box right below, so you guys can go ahead and head over there and watch that. I actually did a full detailed review already on this shoe and on foot, showing you guys the different jeans and everything and how you can style them. If you do not own a pair of Yeezys, I know a lot of people have been asking me in comment sections of other videos about the sizing. It's funny because it's on my Jordan sizing video. They asked me how do Yeezys fit, and just to clear that up, I am a true size 11. I buy my Yeezys in a size 11. However, I don't wear the insoles of my shoe, y'all. I always take the insoles out so I walk on boots. That's just a comfort thing to me. When I tried on the 500s, I didn't take those insoles out just because there is no boost in them, but I would recommend going a half size up on those. So I'm a true 11 and I would get an 11.5 in those. But if you guys picked them up, let me know. I love you guys. Tomorrow we got another banger for you guys, so stay tuned. Peace, love in Laguna Beach. We're on the race to 10,000 subscribers, y'all. That thing is like right around the corner. I know y'all probably like, man, you still got like 4K to go. But hey, it'll come, man. It's gonna come quicker than we expected to come. I'm pretty sure of that. So I love y'all, and y'all already know how we rock, man. I will catch y'all tomorrow in the next video. Get it!